Hey, this is Chuck Morgan from Morgan Built. Come on in. We're up here in Warren, Connecticut at a nice 1880 house. Happens to be my own house and my wife Lisa with our 2 kids. Started as a pretty modest small house, and over the years many additions were added on. We had to redo quite a bit of the framing, new mechanicals, plumbing, electrical. The insulation situation in this house was variable. There was none, a little bit, some that was 1950 fiberglass, so we really had to come up with a good plan.
This insulation system, Net and Blow, is great on lots of projects. On this project in particular, we have old framing and new framing and lots of sort of oddities, so we need something that's one product for everything.
So adding the blowing wool is going to make a huge difference. I'm pretty excited to see our utility bills for this winter versus last winter.
We're going to hang the mesh up first, and that's going to contain the insulation, and then we're going to stick our insulation blowing hose in it and fill it with blowing insulation that you would normally see in attics and places like that.
It's an eco-friendly product, low VOCs, there's no itch factor. It's nice for the guys when they're using it and installing it.
You know, there are a lot of things that go into a healthy home. Healthy material choices are one of those things. This can help eliminate some of the worries that homeowners might have about what's actually going into their walls and into their space, and that will be there in the building forever.
So we're all completed with our insulation. And one of the things that the inspector's going to look for is a density check. So what we did was we had cut out a section and weighed it, and we come up with a reading that gives us our density. So we know that we have the right amount of fill in there. It sounds great in here, it feels good, and once the drywall is up, it's a nice feeling to know you got a recycled, low VOC, excellent product inside your walls. This is going to be a legacy house, and it's going to be here a long time, and I hope my kids will enjoy this house as much as we are.